Ielts essay question. In the present time, very less number of people walk on the daily basis. What are the reasons for this? What can be done to solve this problem? In today's society, the habit of daily walking has significantly declined, with fewer individuals engaging in this beneficial activity. This essay aims to explore the reasons behind this decline and propose potential solutions to address this issue. Daily walking offers numerous health benefits and contributes to the overall well-being of individuals, making it crucial to find ways to encourage and promote this simple yet effective form of exercise. One primary reason for the decline in daily walking is the rise of sedentary lifestyles, influenced by technological advancements. The modern world has witnessed a substantial increase in sedentary activities, such as extended screen time, office-based work, and reliance on motorized transportation. These factors contribute to a decrease in physical activity, as walking is gradually replaced by more convenient alternatives. The allure of technology and the comfort of sedentary activities have shifted the focus away from regular walking. Another significant factor contributing to the decline in daily walking is the inadequate infrastructure to support pedestrians. In many urban areas, streets lack safe sidewalks, crosswalks, and pedestrian-friendly features. The absence of well-maintained paths and inadequate lighting discourage individuals from walking, particularly during darker hours or in areas with heavy traffic. Moreover, the lack of accessible green spaces and parks further diminishes the appeal of walking as a recreational activity. A fast-paced society often leaves individuals with limited time to prioritize physical activity, including daily walking. Busy work schedules, family commitments, and other responsibilities consume a significant portion of people's lives, leaving little room for exercise. Consequently, many individuals resort to quicker modes of transportation or prioritize sedentary activities during their limited free time. The lack of time management and the perception that walking is time-consuming contribute to the decline in this beneficial habit. In conclusion, the decline in daily walking can be attributed to sedentary lifestyles, insufficient infrastructure, and busy schedules. However, by fostering awareness, improving urban planning, and integrating physical activity into daily routines, we can encourage more individuals to embrace walking as a regular and enjoyable habit. The benefits of daily walking extend beyond physical health, encompassing mental well-being and community engagement. Embracing these solutions will contribute to a healthier society, both physically and mentally, while revitalizing the simple act of walking.